In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of Realme 11X 5G phone. The box of Realme 11X looks like this. The price mentioned on the box is 16,999, but you can get it for approximately 12,500 by adding the bank offers. Here you can see that I have ordered the 6GB 128GB variant and the color is midnight black. So without wasting any time, let's open the box. On opening the box, you will find Dare to Leap. Inside you will get a case, SIM ejector tool and some booklets, and here is the phone. Here you can see the big camera bump. Let's keep the phone aside. Here is the type A to type C cable, and you get the 33 watts travel adapter. Here is the 33 watts travel adapter. The color is midnight black. Let's turn on the phone. I will go through the setup process quickly. Click on next. Click on done. Here you can see the Realme UI logo. Click on get started. This is how the user interface of Realme 11X 5G looks. Let's go to the settings and check the version of Android. Go to settings and scroll all the way down and click on about device and click on the Android version, and here you can see the Android version, it is 13. You can play with this logo, and if you want to check whether if there is any update for your Realme phone, you can do that. Under about device itself, click on Realme UI version. It will check if there is any update for your phone. Here you can see that there is an update for my phone. The size of the file is approximately 800 MB. Always install the updates. Click on download and install. Swipe down from the top. Here you can see the toggles, and here you can see the background apps which are running. Let's open the camera and take few photos. Accept the terms and conditions, give the permissions. These are some of the photos which I have taken with the front facing camera. Now let's look at the physical features of Realme 11X. Realme 11X has a big screen. The size of the screen is 6.72 inches and it has a full HD plus resolution. It has a 8 megapixel front facing camera. Here you can see that. And coming to the back, it has a dual camera setup. One is a 64 megapixel AI camera and one is the 2 megapixel secondary camera, and it has got a flash, and you can see the Realme branding at the back. On the right side you can see the volume rockers up and down and the power button. This power button also works as a fingerprint scanner. At the bottom you can see the type C port for charging, speaker grill and 3.5mm headphone jack. On the left side you have the SIM tray. Open the SIM tray, and here is the SIM tray. You can use 2 SIM cards and 1 micro SD card. Since Realme 11X has a big camera bump, you need to get a good quality case to protect your camera lens in case of accidental falls. In the meantime, I will use the case which I got with the phone. Once you install the case looks like this. Here you can see that there is a cutout for fingerprint scanner. At the bottom there are cutouts for speaker grill, and you can open the type C port, and also you can use the 3.5mm port like this. So that's it guys. Here is a short unboxing video of Realme 11X 5G. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.